You are most welcome to today's session, whereby we shall be looking at the length between 2 points on a line. In our previous lesson, we looked at finding the gradient of a line, whereby if we are to review a bit of what we talked about, we see that gradient m is given by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And when you are given a question requiring you to find the gradient of the line passing through some given points, we shall choose 2 points. If we are given more than 2, we choose 2 points. Let's say we have 1 point, maybe 5, 3, and another point, maybe 2, negative 4. So after having these 2 points, we name the coordinates x1, y1, then x2, y2. After that, we substitute in this formula to find the gradient. We looked at that yesterday. For today, we shall be looking at the length between 2 points on a line. The length is given by length equals to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Assuming we have our line passing through 2 points m and n, where n is given by 0 to n is given by, let's say, 3, negative 1. We want to find the length between point m and n on this line. So when we are given the points, we shall name these points. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. After that, we substitute in this formula to get the length. That is, we shall have our length as the square root of x2, which is now 3. So that will be 3 minus 0 squared plus y2, which is negative 1 minus 2 also squared. So you simplify this and find the final answer. The units, we write the word units because that gives us the units that are between m and n. So we must write the word units on our final answer. So now, if we simplify this, we have the square root of 3 minus 0 giving us 3 squared plus negative 1 minus 2. They are all negative, so it gives us negative 3, which will give us the square root of 9 plus 9, giving us root of 18. You can stop here and you write units, so meaning that they are the square root of 18. Or you can simplify that, because we know that 18 is 9 times 2. So that gives us 3 root 2 units. Now, in example 2, we are supposed to find the length between these 2 points, assuming maybe we have a line. We can name this KL, where K is 4, 6 and L is 1, 2. From our formula, that is length equals to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So the first task is to name these coordinates. Let's say this could be x1, y1, x2, y2. Then after naming the coordinates, we come and substitute in our formula, that is the square root of x2, which is 1 minus 4 squared, plus that is 2 minus 6 squared, giving us the square root of negative 3 squared plus negative 4 squared, which will give us the square root of 9 plus 16, which is the square root of 25, giving us 5 units. So that means that between K and L, there are 5 units. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't miss our daily lessons. You share with your colleagues. You can also comment so that we see views. Thank you very much.